What happens when you have a toothache? You go to the dentist, and what happens if there is something wrong in your body? You go to the doctor. As we age, we begin to understand that one thing or the other in your body requires constant attention. And if we don't take care of our body, it kind of starts to deteriorate. When it's come to our brain, why do we assume that it does not require the same care as our bodies? Why do we think that if I am born with a brain, I can just be with that brain? The truth is, like our body, our brain also needs care and attention. Meditation is taking care of your brain. I have created this channel, Meditative Soul Care, to help people harness the power of meditation. And I am not telling about a few minutes of feel-good meditation. That is anybody can do. I am telling about a few minutes of intense meditation. That is actually going to make a difference to your brain. Something that is going to empower you beyond your wildest imagination. To show you the power of meditation, I am sharing with you a peer-reviewed and published a scientific study conducted on my brain. Coming up fast is the real-time scan of an average meditator's brain in action. Just pay attention on the circled box showing the theta waves. These are the waves in deep meditation. It shows you the activity in the brain when this meditator is trying to focus. This is how an average brain looks like. Now you will see my brain behaviors when keep the same task. This is the result of correct meditation. Notice the extreme stability in my prefrontal cortex. Just so you know, the prefrontal cortex is responsible for foresight, planning, cognitive behavior, and decision making. Here it is for you again, side by side. Imagine from two brains. So don't take my word for it. See it for yourself. The power of meditation to tame your mind. I am Kumar and welcome to my channel of meditation.